Compare Quotes is an independent company that hand selects the most reliable, professional and affordable businesses in the trade and service industries. The following business has consistently met our standards and they are a supplier that we can highly recommend.
Hi, I'm Rob Rotin. I'm the Managing Director of Big Apple Roofing. At Big Apple Roofing, we have 15 employees. We do re-roofs, new roofs, roof restorations, terracotta roofs, cement roofs, zinc roofs, colour bond roofs. We do all your guttering, basically your one-stop shop for all your roofing needs. When we do roof restorations, we do a 4-coat colour system. A lot of other companies do a 2 or 3-coat, but at Big Apple, we do 4 coats of colour. One of the major benefits of the 4-coat colour system is its longevity. It means that the colour will stay on the roof a lot longer, and we give you a written guarantee. You need to have good staff members, and I think I've got one of the best teams in Melbourne. I've got 3 registered licensed plumbers, I've got roof tilers, I've got roof restorers, and at the end of the day, they all are number 1 to me.
Friendly environment, everyone gets along really well, and that makes all the jobs go smoothly.
We do a variety of work. We can put on metal roofs, we can do gutters, downpipes, fascia, pretty much all your roof plumbing needs.
We're outdoors, we're not stuck in an office. We get to meet people, communicate with people, and that's a big positive.
I got Apple Roofing in to restore my roof. I contacted Apple Roofing. They were the last one I contacted and gave me the best deal, so I gave them the job. And found them to be a very good firm and lived up to all the promises they made.
Big Apple Roof keeps the weather away. For all your roofing needs, ring Big Apple Roofing.